Hi and welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning in again. Thank you very much for all the interaction on the last few videos. Really appreciate it. I love hearing back from you guys. It is awesome. Today, not really got a wonderful amount to do. I was planning on doing the torsion bars, actually pulling them out, getting them clocked. But as you'll probably see in here, it is raining. It's like, I think it's like 1 degree. Nope, 2 degrees. And extremely windy, so I don't fancy lying on the floor dicking about with that. Quite a lot of you guys comment on the box that I've got, and most of you guys are actually right. I don't really want to install them for the same reason. It's chucking down with rain. I don't fancy sitting on a wet floor. So gonna get a few odd jobs done, which leads me on to a quick question. Do you guys like to see videos where I just sort of get on with a few bits and bobs and just show you what I get up to? Or would you prefer to see more structured videos of I'm doing this and this is how you do it type of videos? More how-to-y type stuff. I love making videos, really enjoy actually making these and editing them, and love hearing all the interaction with you guys. Filming does actually give me a bit of a kick to actually get some stuff done, because like all of us, we can be a bit lazy and just not doing it. So filming it for you guys does give me that little bit of a kick to actually get it done. But it's obviously not just for my own entertainment. If you guys don't really want to watch it, then what's the point of me making it? So just let me know what type of videos do you like and don't you like. If you like it, I'll obviously keep on making them. So just let me know, put it down in that comment section down below. But today I want to try and get that bit done. I got a little bit of wood just to finish off there because it's doing my head in. Eventually I'm going to get some sort of tan carpet just to go there, just to make that look less like an eyesore. Want to cut a hole into this panel where my diesel heater is. Tom did say he would cut it for me, but he said he was going to jigsaw it and then use his router. So I just said I'll use my jigsaw, see how close I can get. If it needs any more, I'll pass it on to Tom just to sort the edges out, because that would be nice to actually have that, because at the minute I've obviously got to have that panel off and the hot air just blows pretty much straight out the door. So it would be nice to put that angled vent thing on just to aim it into the van a bit more. There's a few other little odd jobs I want to get done, and like I said, I want to ideally film it for you guys. And I have listened to you in the last video where most of you have said, just pull your arches. Now, personally, I was going to do it anyway. Hopefully, by the end of this video, I will have the 4-inch Faulkners in, which would be pretty cool. But yeah, I think I'm going to mark this up, get that hole cut, get that finally finalised. So yeah, I think I'm just going to crack on with a few odd jobs. Like I said, please let me know in that comment section below. Do you like to see these sorts of I'm just getting up to stuff type videos, or do you want to see them more structured? Let me know in that comment section down below. So let's just get into getting this. Let's get this hole cut. Well, not quite sure what the best way of doing this is, but I want to fit that basically there, I think. And if you can see, that's where the hole is. So it goes about there, but I'm going to put it in the middle of these, draw around it. Sweet, because has got what, 1, 2, 3 mounting holes. So happy days. Place that in there, screw it in, pop the top on, put this on somehow, and then boom. Let's go get this hole cut. Now I'm going to stop taking this off every time I want the diesel heater running. Well, there's that. It's probably not the best thing I've ever cut, but it fits. So I now need to just get that flume. It's only a tiny little piece. I think I might just cut it with scissors. Done. Been meaning to do that for a while. turned out to be quite an easy little job. So I'm going to tidy up a bit more, and then the weather allows, crack on with the next job. And back again. That was yesterday's footage. Ended up stopping because it absolutely chucked it down the rain and I couldn't be bothered to be fighting it anymore. Managed to get that all done, got the cover on. I did have to sort of readjust it a bit because the pipe in the back has to do a little bit of a king. It's quite a short piece of pipe. That's all done now, and I haven't used it yet, but happy days. My angle grinder stopped working. I was cutting something like rubbery the other day, and yeah, doesn't sound good. So I'm going to try and, my hand's covered in rubber. Ugh. I'm going to try and get that apart, see if I can get it fixed. If not, I'll have to buy a new one. And then we're going to make those fours fit. So yeah, let's hope I can get this grinder to work. Well, that was easy. 5s are off. 4s are on. Now, make this fit. What I'm thinking, lower it a bit more. Just roll this underneath, give it a bit of clearance. I think that's the plan. Gonna give it a bit of a paint. Where I've chipped the paint off, it has rusted a bit. Give it a little bit of a pull, but got just enough room so hopefully that's just enough room that I need. I'm just going to get this back up in the air a little bit more and give it a bit more of a pull, just make sure I've definitely got clearance. Go around the other side, give that a go, give everything a lick of paint. Test drive, yeah boy! Right, it's been a little while since you last seen me, and we put both sides in. Both of these, I don't know how well the camera's going to pick it up. These are both my 5-inch springs. These didn't last very long until I finally went down on 4s, which I'm on now, and I've got to say it is nice and low, but as you see, my angle grinder stopped working, so couldn't use that, and my wheel arches are a little bit crusted than I actually first thought. I thought there was quite a lot of surface on it, but once you start pulling on them and whatnot, it was meh. So what I'm going to do, in fact I'll do it after this video, I'll go and do it, is I'm going to order some of those wheel arch covers. I do quite like the look of them, to be fair. But I'm going to put some of them over. I'm going to cut a bit of the wheel arch out, seal it all up. So I know it's double layered, so I'll make sure it's all sealed up and what have you, and then I'll put the wheel arch covers on because I don't like the way it's looking. This side's acceptable, the other side's not so much. But I am on 4s. I love how it's sitting at the moment. It's sitting lovely and low. I can see this being a very slippery slope to hydraulics. So, but for now, there's my 4s. I have painted this. I had the same garage door smooth red that I painted the van with, just to touch it up. But I am going to go across and pretty much this line here all the way across, or probably not the whole way up. I'll cut that out, put the wheel arch cover about here. It won't hang down that low, but that's going to help. While I was under there, I'm not quite sure if it was this video or the other video, but I did screw in that exhaust for the diesel heater. Well, I didn't actually. I had to undo the silencer and I didn't do it back up again, so I did that. I moved my exhaust a bit because it was banging, so I've just aimed it down a little bit more. We are gonna tidy up these tools, take this for a little test drive, make sure it's all okay, and then this time might start making a crack on what's in that box, which most of you guys have actually guessed right, but like I said, that's gonna be its own standalone video. Right, we're gonna tidy up, we'll see you in a sec. Right, well, I went for a test drive and it is rubbing its bollocks off. Now, I'm not too sure if that's just because where I pulled the wheel arch out and it's just giving itself a bit of self-clearance, or whether it's just not going to work. So, what I'm going to do is leave them on for a couple of days and see where the rubbing's happening. I've got a funny feeling I'm going to have to take these off and just run my 5s again, which I think are in the van. So, I think my wheels are too big. I genuinely think 9J are too wide. So I need new wheels. Yay. I'm going to deal with this. And we're going to wrap this video up for now. I'll probably let you know in the next video what I do, whether I keep the 4s on or put the 5s back on. Yeah, wish me luck really. I've got a funny feeling the 5s will be going back on in a minute. Or in a little while. Let me know whether you like this sort of style of me just getting stuff done and filming it as I go, or would you like more structured type of videos. My eye is also playing up. Yay! Anyway, that's today's job done. She's sitting low though. Anyway, we're going to get ourselves inside. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'm going to get my daughter to do the outro.
If you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, go hit that subscribe button. Take it easy.